Prominent postmodern writers. Postmodernism in English literature challenged the conventions of storytelling, narrative structure, and the notion of a fixed reality. It influenced various art forms and continues to shape contemporary literature by encouraging experimentation, embracing diversity, and questioning established norms and assumptions. David Foster Wallace. Wallace's novel Infinite Jest is often considered a seminal postmodern work. It employs footnotes, multiple storylines, and a vast array of characters to explore themes of addiction, entertainment, and modern society. Italo Calvino. Calvino's novel If on a Winter's Night a Traveler is a prime example of postmodern metafiction, playing with narrative conventions and challenging the reader's expectations. Salman Rushdie. Rushdie's novel Midnight's Children incorporates magical realism and intertextuality to explore the complex history and cultural identity of India. Jeanette Winterson. Winterson's novel Oranges Are Not the Only Fruit combines autobiography, fairy tales, and metafiction to examine themes of sexuality, religion, and identity. DeLillo. DeLillo's novel White Noise satirizes consumer culture and explores the anxieties of contemporary society through fragmented narratives and postmodern techniques. Margaret Atwood. Atwood's novel The Handmaid's Tale blends dystopia, feminism, and intertextuality to critique patriarchal power structures and explore themes of control and resistance. Angela Carter. Carter's works, including The Bloody Chamber and Nights at the Circus, blend elements of fairy tales, feminism, and postmodernism. Her writing challenges traditional gender roles and subverts established narratives. These writers, among others, have made significant contributions to the postmodernist movement in English literature, pushing boundaries, experimenting with form, and challenging established literary conventions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to show your support. Please hit the like button to let us know you enjoyed the content. Additionally, subscribing to our channel will ensure that you never miss out on our latest videos. If you have any thoughts, questions, or suggestions, we would love to hear from you in the comments section below. Your feedback helps us improve and create more content that you'll love. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more exciting videos in the future.